Hey, I'm Nick, Dorman's master technician. Having a vehicle with an HVAC system that's not working is unpleasant. One of the ways heating and air conditioning can conk out is from broken HVAC control modules. The climate control module, also known as HVAC control module, can stop working when contacts and switches become inoperable. Some people also replace them if the backlighting stops working, or even if they're causing the vehicle interior to appear haggard from years of use, like worn out buttons and scratched faceplates and display screens. Dorman's got you covered. Check out our expanding line of HVAC module repair solutions if you've got a car exhibiting any of those symptoms. The choice between paying high prices at the dealer and walking the salvage yard for a replacement climate control isn't a savory one. And the replacement from either source leaves you open to similar loss of function in the future. With our HVAC modules, you can skip both options. Our remanufactured units save money and get vehicles back into service quickly. Nearly all of the line is plug and play with no scan tool programming procedures required. All of our control units are remanufactured in America. These units go through a rigorous testing process to deliver years of reliable service. We also have newly manufactured modules available for some of the most popular vehicles on the road, many of which are also fully assembled right here in the USA. We upgrade select units when possible with features like upgraded LED lighting to prevent one common source of future module malfunction. Of course, our new and refurbished controls also freshen up the appearance of the center stack, exactly matching the factory appearance of your car or truck. The next time you're dealing with heat or AC controls that no longer work, check Dorman first. I'll see you next time. This thing is trashed. What do you got, bears for kids? Oh man, did you lock your dog in the car? Did you lock your dog in your car and he was trying to turn the AC on? Is that what happened to these buttons? I don't know.